Caution: the voltages used in this project can be extremely dangerous. Do not attempt building if you are not a qualified electrician. This is a transformer-less power supply which can be useful when designing circuits involving vacuum tubes, cathode ray tubes, and other applications where high voltage DC current is needed. The construction is very simple. We have 5 terminals which allow us to have from 150 volts up to 600 volts. You can also get 2 voltages of up to 600 volts with a center tap. The electric schematic will be shown gradually so it becomes easier to understand operation. We show here both pictures and symbols of capacitors and diodes. The fuse is about 10 amps, fast acting. The on-off switch can be a simple lever type. This is the way it works. For obtaining 150 positive volts, a half-wave rectifier is used. In order to get the positive 300 volt supply, a half-wave voltage doubler is used, with a common negative for both supplies. For the negative voltages, both 150 and 300 volts, a mirror image of the previous circuitry is used, except both the diodes and capacitors are reversed in polarity. Next, we will consider several possible combinations. If a 150 volts is required, we use the terminals labeled here with their voltages. If we need 300 volt supply, this is the way to go. For a 0 to minus 150 volts connection, these are the terminals. For 0 to minus 300, use these terminals. The same is true for negative voltages with respect to common. The same logics is used. If you need a 600 volt connection, you use the opposite terminals. For a 150, 150, use these terminals. Of course, for a 300, 300 volt connection, this would be the way. And naturally, you can use all the output for a single project, taking into account not jumping wires between terminals, since this would be disastrous for the power supply. I hope this supply is useful for you in your experiments with devices demanding such voltages. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.